Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log out of the Bybit app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Bybit app on your phone. Now from over here, this is how the interface is gonna pop up. Now you're gonna go ahead, go to this profile icon on top left corner. Now for over here, you're gonna tap on your profile icon. Now what we will do simply is tap on our profile user ID, which will simply access this switch and create account section. Again, we're going to tap on this little icon and it will do the same. But when we have to tap on our profile, we have to actually tap on this little profile icon so we can access this interface, which includes logging out option right over here. We can tap on this logout option and then we will be able to tap on this enable now so we can log in next time simply by verifying our face ID. For that, you have to enter your password. Once you have done that, you will be able to enable it, confirm it, and so that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.